In this video, I will show you how the automatic room freshener works. I really don't know how it works. I I found this product from the scrapyard. So let's open it. It has a big size 1.5-volt batteries. Actually, a battery, one of them is missing. Let's see the mechanism inside. It has some gear wheels along with the circuit. The circuit has IR sensor. Maybe it works only when we place our hand around the sensor. Here, whenever I use the power supply, the motor gets triggered. After a few minutes playing with this circuit, I realized the circuit don't senses the hand, but it triggers after every 10 minutes automatically. I will connect the mobile adapter for the power supply and will test with the body spray. It sprays after every 10 minutes, and now I will use this to spray fragrance in my room. Okay, hope you like this video and sure to subscribe. See you in the next video.